Patrick and Pals. Jim's disassembling the carrier to change the shims. So he's got the saddles off now, and now he's going to look for something to pry that one way or the other so that he can get the shims in and out. And you can see those two saddles ride right up here in these bolt holes. And now he's got his pry bar. He's going to bring that out. And of course, everything binds up. It's not easy to move this stuff.
Come on.
And folks, you can imagine the torque that the engine produces to move this truck down the road. Everything has to fit precisely, or you can have a problem. So we just have to figure out the best way to move that ring and pinion. You can see a good way to do that is just to move it against the housing and just keep working it until it comes out. And that's what Jim's going to do. He's going to keep working that. We'll do another video when he gets it apart, and I'll show you how the shims go in. See you soon.